guys, so I'm really excited because our dehumidifier has finally arrived, like 2 weeks later. We really need it. I'll go around and show you some areas of mould that we have in the house. Alex has cleaned 3 of the rooms, but there's still plenty to show you. So yeah, I'm just going to check the instructions and plug it in and turn it on.
Can I put a Lala kick in?
Now don't press anything yet, okay?
Something now. Something now. Something now.
Okay.
First, Madame Gazelle cleans Peppa's knee.
Excuse me, Mr. Bull, which way is the children's ward? Mastercast. Wow.
The Mastercast helps Pedro's leg get better.
Okay, I'll draw a little flower.
Wow. Okay, so I've just found out that our current humidity level in our house, third time I'll try and tell you, I've set our humidity level to 50% because it says here to use 50 or 55% humidity. But when you've set that, it actually shows you your current humidity level, and I can't believe it, but it's saying 77% humidity. That is really bad. Like, I think that's bad for your health.
Don't press anything. It's gonna come back.
Look at his face. Look at his face. So I thought I'd just come here and show you. This is the kids' bedroom. So before Alex and I cleaned all the mould off the walls, it had started down in the corner and it was going up the corner all the way to the ceiling. If you see those cupboards, I've actually got this one open because we were looking for some Christmas lights yesterday, which we didn't find. It had empty suitcases in it and also a baby car seat, which had actually gone mouldy, which is unbelievable. I'm going to try and clean it, but I don't know if it will clean up. So yeah, there's basically mould all on the ceiling on top of the cupboards, but you can't get in there. I mean, we got in there as much as we could, but you can't get there. They're built-in cupboards. Very colourful cupboards. So there's a little bit up there. Can you see those little drops? So that's from condensation. There you go. We basically have the same in our bedroom. You can see some more here. See, this is just, it doesn't look that bad compared to what I'm going to show you next. So yes, it's growing in these corners, but look at this. This is in our kitchen. You've probably wondered why I haven't shown you the kitchen at all. Well, this is why. It's a tiny, tiny, tiny kitchen anyway. We really struggle with it, but the rest of the house and garden were just so nice for the kids. We couldn't turn it down because when we were moving back here from the UK, we couldn't find any other options. And the bathroom. So yeah, these are the ones that we really need to get sorted out. And you can see how damp it is in here. Look at all the condensation on the window. I was doing around the balcony doors because the mould had even started to grow on the plastic on the doors, which sounds really weird, but because they were damp all the time, the mould was growing on it. So you could just wipe it off, but you wipe it off and it's there again in a few days. So yeah, we did finally decide to invest in a dehumidifier, and it wasn't cheap. I got it in the Black Friday sales, and even then it was 260 euros, so it's a lot of money for a machine that's just going to sit in your house, but if it's really going to help this, and obviously I know it's going to be better for our health, then it's going to be worth it. So yeah, so while the kids are just watching Peppa Pig for a little bit, I thought I would finish my coffee and also show you guys some of these amazing Christmas cards my sister makes. Let me just take some out. They're so cute. So my sister basically, she lives in the Cotswolds. She's really inspired by the place where she lives, and she does illustrations. So she makes loads of different things. I mean, she illustrates mugs and Christmas cards and tea towels and like household accessories, but she also takes jobs as well. So she's illustrated children's books. We've actually worked together on a few projects. So she might illustrate a book, and then I'll get sent the illustrations and the story, and then I've got to actually typeset it. So I put it all together in the document ready for it to be printed. I do all the boring stuff basically. I would much rather be doing the illustrations. These are this year's Christmas cards, so let me just get all the different ones out so I can show you, because I get her to send me some every year. They are so cute this year. She also does commissions as well, so if you've got a... Sorry, can you hear me over that? So if you've got a pet or anything that you want her to illustrate, she can do that. And she uses like coffee stain to do it as well, so it's really cool, along with watercolour and fine liner. So yeah, it's really unique. So anyway, here's one of the first ones. Snowman. So cute. A dog. Actually reminds me of the snow dog. A pheasant, of course, because if you live in rural England, you will know there are plenty of those about. And a really sweet little Christmas robin. So yes, here is her website. And I'll put a link in the description down below as well, in case you're interested, because they're just something a bit different. She sells them online for $2.60 a card. So obviously these aren't originals, these are prints of originals that she's got on cards. But you can see what else she does there. She does originals and larger prints as well. So thanks Lou for sending me my Christmas cards. I also need to make a list to send to Alex for shopping, because he's going to nip to the shops on his way back. I forgot to say he's gone out. We lost a member of the family 40 days ago, and in Greece, because it's Greek Orthodox, 40 days after the death you have another ceremony in the church, which he's going to, so that's where he is. He left quite early this morning.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Hot. Is it hot?
Even if the sky is falling down,
Yeah.
even if the sky is falling
Cold now, so Nico has filled up his bowl with bread and cheese. It did look like this. It's like a chickpea soup with lemon. And you love it, don't you, Nico?
Yeah.
Come on then, Bella.
Morning, Mommy.
Spoon, that's it. There you go, Bella.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
That's
There's
mine.
yours, Nico.
That's
Days and
Bella's
nights,
bread. Nico.
don't stop for
Bella's
traffic lights.
bread. Here's your bread.
And I
Okay.
really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
Just gonna check your brother, okay? Okay, let's do it together.
Yes. Do it.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Right. So, what kind of sock are we looking for?
Father.
Oh, and here's pants. So if we find any pants, we can put them here, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy's sock.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Bracelets.
This is actually off a hairband, but she likes it as a bracelet, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when I read that, like a bracelet, it farted on the floor playground for a long time ago, and then I went outside and got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that folding, everyone. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Oh. I know. Take on me like you did to Nika
Here. And here. Where?
when I came my son.
Here. And then
Right.
like that.
Right.
As what?
I'm just pretending you're a man.
I'm a man. What are you on, Mrs.?
I'm Isabella Man.
Oh, okay, that's not too tight on your tongue.
It's not. That's because.
Daddy's back with the shopping.
Good.
Breakfast behind at the night.
Breakfast at the night. So she means she wants some cereal now. You can have a little bit. For snacks, okay?
Milk.
Okay, so have you popped all the little holes?
That's my glue.
Hang on, yes, that's Bella's glue. You've got lots of glue here, Nico. And what I'm going to do, you choose some nice colours that you want the windows to be and the stars to be. You put around the holes, like this, on the paper around the holes, and then you choose the colour that you want, and you stick it there. You see? But we glue it all on this side. So, put glue all around the holes.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine.
Hello, so I've just been hiding in the bedroom for an hour because Alex had a nap when he came back. And I looked after the kids, got their tea on, and then he actually gave them their tea so I could come and chill for a bit, because having 2 kids this age is so full on that I just need to wind down. So I've done that, and the kids have been screaming for me, so we're going to go and see what they've been doing. Hello? Where did you go? It was very quiet.
Was down in the garden, Mum.
Hi, Mummy.
You went down in the garden?
Yes.
Yeah?
Hi, Mummy.
For the ball park, you mean?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Vabbè, signora.
Mummy and went on the road.
The ball went on the road?
Yeah, 2 times, Mum.
Oh, really?
And we saw them, and I passed to really hard my bark as once on the road in the mud.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but then I caught it.
Oh, Nico's done a poo for Daddy. He's done a big one for me today too. So what did you say about lights? You told me that you'd put some lights up.
Come and see.
What did you do? Oh, they're so pretty. Did you do that? Oh, look at our ninja cats. They both do it.
Hello.
Oh, Isabella, they look lovely. Can we go outside and have a look?
Yes.
Ah,
But we bring Taba inside.
yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see those lights. Ah.
But some of them are not working.
Oh, really?
Yeah, see, look at those.
Oh, yeah. They're not working, are they? Why is that?
And look.
I missed you while I was in there for an hour. Can I give you a cuddle?
Yeah. At Christmas we can put them back on.
Christmas. What do you mean?
Those lights either we can leave them on for a long time ago.
Yeah, we can leave them up until after Christmas.
Yeah. and Santa will love it.
Santa will love it. Do you love it?
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh.
Some of them have no.
Nico, you're half naked. Aren't you cold? What did you say, Baba? I know, I can see. Bella told me. Okay, let's put the pole down. Let's go inside. It's getting cold out here, isn't it?
Calm down.
Come, Mommy.
For